Hello friends, we are coming up with the next product, but this time it is a home automation product. Well, what's the specialty about home automation product that we are proposing? We have got n number of products already available in this zone, but what's so special about ours? I'm going to tell one by one and you will be definitely liking it. First, if you have to do home automation, you will make the fans and the lights or whatever electrical equipment really smart. Only the smart fans, the smart lights, etc. can come into home automation currently. But we can make the conventional traditional fans also smarter with our setup, and you need not throw them off. You can reuse with our setup. That's the best point about our product. Second one, the current traditional home automation systems, whatever you have been used to, are not two-way. What do you mean by two-way? First thing, you will not know the status of the equipment or status as on or off if it is controlled by the switch or by the app. What I mean is, you are switching it on or off through the switches and it will not be reflected in the app. You are controlling it through the app and you will not get the status reflected in the switches. Now, what do? Is we make it very strong. You can control the equipment through our app and the status will be reflected in the switch panel. Also, you can control it through the switch panel and the status will get reflected in the app. It is vice versa. Whatever way you want, you control it. We get you the update in both the places. There will be a light which will be reflecting the status as on or off in the switch panel. The status will also get updated in the app and you can get to know if it is on or off. I'm going to show you the demo right now, and it's a very simple and neat setup, and it will not involve a lot of financials as well, and we'll be happy to provide you support. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to control this panel with our home automation setup, and it is powered through this. That's all. I'm going to show you the demo right now and I hope you definitely like it. We have a very simple Android app through which we can control the on-off status, and you could see that right now it is currently off. I'm going to on. You could see that the status immediately got changed and the panels are on. And it's the same panel that I have shown you some time back for the interior decor, and now this is used here for the same purpose. So you can control anything and everything with it is the point that we like to convey. You can control your fan, you can control your LED lightings, you can control your lights traditionally which you have at home, but everything through our single unit that we have here. And now I'm going to switch it off and you could see the status getting reflected immediately out there. I'm going to switch it on for your quicker reference. That's it. It's pretty easy for you to go through and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, any suggestions, inputs, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. If you like our product, let me know, we can discuss further. Thank you.